Turbo seems like it's listing in all the right places, kind of at the wrong sort of time. The market is so kind of feeling deflated at the moment. I think the retail interest just isn't here. And, in the summertime, I think crypto kind of becomes a little bit sort of dead and it's sort of in a lull again. Quick update, guys. News, price, what is happening with Turbo right now? We can see over the day it's dropped a little bit. You're looking at like a sort of 10-ish% drop down to 0.0055. So not a terrible thing. And I think it is heading towards a point of interest. A big point of interest, which was this support region that we identified from a few big buys that we saw. A big point of interest here around the 0.0051 region, where I may be tempted to accumulate more here, or even wait until we potentially see 0.0037. If that happens, I think that could be a good opportunity as well for getting into Turbo. Now, just to quickly talk about it, big listings. We can see one Turbo listed on Coinspot.au. So that's Australia's trusted Bitcoin and crypto trading platform. So that's really good to see right there. And another one was BitTrue. So two listings over the last sort of 24 hours. This coin is listing everywhere. Now, I don't know how they are paying these exchanges. It could be tokens. I'm not really sure how they're doing it. But I think when you compare to Pepe and the holders of Pepe, this is obviously the OG frog here with a humongous market cap. You can actually see, well, maybe what I did say might not have as much significance as I thought, but still, you can see with Pepe, obviously big exchange wallets are still holding it, and Pepe indeed has got its massive market capital. So it makes me think Turbo could be the next frog that does indeed get there. Not financial advice, of course, but it is another frog character. He's a yellow frog this time, and yeah, fingers crossed we could see this thing exceed $1 billion market cap come the right time. I think when we see the bull market re-emerge, things could look a lot better for this coin. Already got to 600 million, but we just need more ammunition to help it get there. So alt season index, we're at Bitcoin season right now, and I think this is usually a good time for me historically to slowly load up on those coins, those altcoins, because we're going to get alt season next. We don't know when. The last time we were this deep into a Bitcoin season was October 2023, so it could be a good time to start analyzing altcoins. And what I would recommend is go back in time. Look at the prices of altcoins around October, November of 2023, when this indicator comes nice and low, and see, did altcoins then pump following that in the next sort of 2 or 3 months afterwards? Because we would then be predicting that maybe by September, October, we're going to be deep in an alt season again. But again, it could just be wild speculation. We don't know when this will entirely happen. Meme coins as well. Search volume for the topic, meme coin. Slightly on the low. So it's not really fueling that desire for FOMO and to get all the retailers on board into the meme market right now. But still a tremendous amount of search volume. Still very impressive as well to see that. Now, Turbo did actually break to the downside of this falling wedge here, so it is moving down to 0.0054. Like I say, point of interest for me is this region here. If it comes down to 5 flat, and maybe even down again to this 3.7 region, I might be tempted to accumulate. Now, these are the sort of coins that sometimes you can get lucky. It's hard really to say because this coin, if you think about it, has already done a big thing. It's already done a 15x from over here when it was just trading sideways and not really doing much. So you're buying still quite late, in my opinion. If you are buying here, you can see from the last major impulse, which was over here in January 2024, 4x, and then the corrective phase was, you're mostly accumulating on the 0.6 and 7 fibs. If we have a look at our fib structure now, where are we on the Fibonacci journey from the beginning of this pump? So we're just sitting on the 0.5. I do think we could see the 0.6 fib. And, if we saw the 0.7 fib, then I would be extremely bullish and eager to be buying. But it's hard to say exactly what support regions we might see here. You've got the 0.618, you've then got the 0.786, you've got the 0.5, which is we've been hovering on now. So yeah, it's a big speculation, guys. I think Turbo could be good, still have another wave to the upside, but right now it is a bit kind of shaky. And, we're in a downtrend. It's clearly a downtrend, but there could be a big buying opportunity come up still. Yeah, just wanted to talk about that, really. Turbo still looking fairly good. I know a lot of you like it. If you are new to this channel, by the way, please slap that subscribe button. Do like the video, let more people know about Turbo. How it works. Community and culture is the key here. But yeah, they've got to respect their marketing hustle. They're always pushing. They're always listing somewhere. They're getting their name out more and more and more. We're just not really seeing that reflection on the charts. And I think even by market capital growth, we're still not seeing it. And I think it just comes down to where we are in the markets right now, which is a little bit boring. Make sure you do join my crypto Discord down below. Over 26,000 members, got a very extensive Discord here. Come hang out, join the Discord, talk about anything you want, and do consider becoming a patron if you do want to enhance your crypto portfolio, have exposure to over 500 trading signals per month, early alpha calls, stealth launches, all that juicy stuff. The links are down below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Peace, and this is not financial advice.